Are you annoyed by the volume of your air conditioner in your RV? They can get really loud. Now I have a decibel meter and I'm going to check it. Right now, off, inside the RV, our decibel meter says 42, 43. We do have a fan going in the background in the bathroom. Now let me kick the air on and let me show you that. Right here next to the decibel meter, I'm at 70 when I'm not talking, which is considered to be still in the safe zone for noise, but it does create a lot of volume problems, and you're probably having a harder time hearing me now. Well, we think we might have found a solution for this problem. Wacko Products is making an RV AC silencer. Comes in a couple of different sizes depending on which air conditioner models you have, and basically what's coming in the box is a new cover that's going to cover your air conditioner, a new faceplate that's going to go up against the ceiling to hold that new cover in place, a new filter that's going to replace the old foam filter that our air conditioner has, along with the screws that we need, and a mini roll of aluminum tape. You're probably going to need some more of this tape to install, but other than that, everything you need comes right in the box. Let's get started. My vent cover uses 6 screws to hold it into place. These last 2 were the ones that were a little hidden because they were behind those panels. But taking that off is as easy as that. Ooh, should have cleaned in there when we did our spring cleaning. One thing that I have previously done on our air conditioner is that I've taken this off and gone in here and taped with this aluminum duct tape all the way around all of the vents, just to make sure all the air is directing exactly where I want it to direct in there. So they do recommend doing that at this point, which is why they give you some of this tape. It's not enough probably to cover everything, to completely make sure that all of your forced air is going into your ducts and not just into the no man's land of your roof. Now, the one last thing I'm going to have to do here is I have to cover up this dump valve. The new vent cover is going to eliminate the capability of just dumping air, which is not something that we've ever really worried too much about. We don't do it frequently, so it's no big deal. This aluminum tape, I'm just going to take a piece of it here and run it this way and run it straight across. And let's see. Like that. Now I'm going to put another piece across because I want to completely block this area off. Now, to make sure it's sealed, I'm going to run tape going the other way also. I've covered up my dump tape with aluminum tape, used almost every single bit of what they sent me to put in that. Next step, super simple. Just going to take this vent cover and hold it up here into place and use the same 6 screws to screw it back into place. I've got my first 4 screws in. These 2 are screwed all the way in. These 2 are left loose because now the filter is going to fit in on top of them. And then my last 2 screws are going to hold it in place. This filter is an easy wash-off filter, so all we'll have to do when it's time to change it is give it a little rinse. I've got everything installed with the filter. Now when the vent cover goes on, it actually goes on backwards to the way you think. You would think you would put the intake openings over the intake, but actually they go on this way. That's just another method that they're using to help silence some of the noise a little bit. And I can take these 2 screws and just kind of finger tighten them in, get them in place. There you go, it's installed. It's as easy as that. It's back on place. The air is running right now. Can you hear me? Can you understand me? Because that's test number 1, of course. Test number 2 is to pull my meter back up. Let's check and see. I'm showing in the 67, 68 range right now when I'm talking. So it doesn't lower the volume a massive amount, but it does make a difference. Now, one of the claims that they're saying on their product is that not only does it lower the total decibels, it changes the frequencies of the decibels so that they're not in that high-pitched, annoying phase right now. The volume is lower, but also the pitch is lower. So it's more of a white noise sound than your typical air conditioner sound. We do have to mention that Wacko Products and the makers of the RVAC silencer did send us this product for free to test out. They have no control over the content of our video, and I'm gonna give it a thumbs up. Check the links down below to make sure you can find your own product, and tell them that you found this video and that's how you found their product. Thanks a lot. Check us out on our next adventure.